Blister repair with mastic or microfibers. This video will explain the process of repairing a blister. Blisters can occur in a substrate when air or moisture becomes trapped and rising temperatures cause expansion. With all blister repairs, we want to ensure that the trapped air or moisture is removed, allowing us to coat over a clean, dry, and sound substrate. For this detail, you will need mastic, gloves, safety glasses, a brush, and a utility knife. Ensure the area is clean and dry. Identify blisters and make a cross-cut within blistered surface. Lift the edges to release the air and moisture. Remove debris and thoroughly clean the blistered area. Ensure the area is dry and prime if necessary. Apply X-Tenda mastic within the cut area and push the mastic under the lifted edges. Embed all 4 edges in the mastic and then cover with X-Tenda mastic, extending 4 inches beyond all cuts in the membrane.